Hey guys, how's it going? How to activate free SSL on Bluehost. So you're gonna go ahead and basically why you want to, or why should you have the free shared SSL certificate. Bluehost offers free SSL certificates for all domain names that are assigned or parked in your account. For the most part, the SSL will install and assign itself to all of your domains, new and old, but certain users might need to manually enable the certificate. So if you want to enable the SSL, go log in with your Bluehost account, right? We're gonna go ahead to the official website of Bluehost, right? And then sorry, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just wait for a few moments right here, all right, and log in with your account. All right, I'm gonna type right here Bluehost. Okay, and basically after you log in with your account, you're gonna go and click the security from the side. Okay, and basically you're gonna see right here the single domain SSL, right? And basically what you're gonna do, from there, check your security products, and then you should be able to see the single domain SSL active. And then to check your website, navigate to the hosting tab on the side, navigation, and then select the website that you are the website you're working on under the site section by clicking settings, right? And basically click on security tab, right? And it may take several hours for the SSL to install and activate after you switched it on. They might occasionally need your assistance to finish the process. If so, an email with instructions will be sent to you. And if you want to disable it, you can go ahead again to the hosting and then select the website settings, right? And then go ahead to the security, right? And then go ahead and click the three dots in the SSL certificate, right? And then view the SSL logs and click the checkbox next to the domain name or for which you need to install the SSL certificate, and then exclude domain from auto SSL and then click view certificate. All right, so to activate a free SSL certificate on a WordPress site, simply log into your hosting account, go to the security tab, and then check if the SSL is active. If not, follow the provided steps or instructions in email to activate it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.